Have you ever wished for a smarter search experience? Wrike is revolutionizing its website search with Google's Vertex AI search. This means more relevant results for your queries. However, it's important to understand the ins and outs of this new feature. Wrike is using advanced generative AI technology to enhance search. This technology has incredible capabilities, but it also comes with caution. Sometimes, generative AI may produce results that are inappropriate or unintended. So, we advise users against submitting explicit or harmful content when searching. Rest assured, neither Wrike nor Google uses your search inputs to train their algorithms or for advertisements. Your data remains private. However, it's essential to know that some search activities may be collected using cookies, in line with our privacy policy. If you've previously registered on our website, cookies may store this activity. Don't worry, these cookies can easily be deleted through your browser settings. Moreover, Wrike's search feature isn't intended for personal or sensitive data. It's crucial for users to avoid entering any sensitive information during searches to ensure their privacy and security. To summarize, Wrike's integration with Google's AI search is designed to improve your searching experience. However, be mindful to avoid harmful content and sensitive data input. Always remember your privacy choices regarding cookies. Ready to explore Wrike's enhanced search feature? Head to our website now and experience the smarter way to search.